Let's solve together. Here, so A, we have this. So what you simply do is to do what? Count forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you say 8.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. That is the answer. Then the next one we have count again. 1, 2, 3. You stop at this point. You have 9.21 multiplied by 1, 2, 3. So you have 10 raised to the power minus 3. So the next one is this. We have here, we count backward to have 1, 2. So that we'll have 4.9. Write everything here. 3, 8, 6. How many times did you count backward? 1, 2. So have times 10 raised to the power 2 because we counted backward. Okay, so because we have decimal point doesn't mean that every time it must be minus and every time we must count forward. In this kind of example, we count backward so that we'll have this multiplied by this. Bye bye.